How do I properly set up an Amazon PPC campaign from scratch? If you would set up properly an Amazon PPC campaign from scratch by answering this question, what is the strategy behind your campaign? No matter what you're setting up, no matter how you're setting it up, no matter how brilliant you are in execution, if you don't understand what is the strategy behind, besides just getting sales, what you're going to end up with is false positives. If the campaign was set up properly, technically, from the technical point of view, you might think that you nailed it and you got success and you can replicate success. When in fact, what I learned for the past 5 years of doing this day in, day out is the reps. So did I create patterns, easily recognizable patterns for myself to know when am I doing something wrong? How quickly should I adjust? How quickly should I iterate? How quickly should I pause something? So this point, if you already know what is the strategy behind, which usually can be either you are going to target exact match keywords, that is rank strategy, what we're calling here at Scale Wave. Either you're going to discover new keywords, which is going to be anything but exact matches, when it comes down to keyword, like exact match keyword, or when it comes down to product targets, exact product targets. So everything that's broad match, phrase match, broad modified, category, those are discovery campaigns. So you're going to find new keywords for yourself to make sure that you're dominating specific placements where your ads are performing well. Either you are simply just going to defend your brand by brand defense keyword, you're going to bid on those. Either you're going to go after someone else's brand. So you're going to do conquer campaigns for brands, especially where you see that you have a competitive advantage and also the advertising, it's not costing you much. The moment that you see that the conquer campaigns are becoming very expensive, those are really hardcore. I want to take over market share. Conquer campaigns is wherever I have advantage of and I can piggyback on an unoptimized listing where I have advantage against, right? I do have super walkthrough, like this is how you're creating the auto campaigns, this is how you're creating the manual campaigns, this is how you would create sponsor brands, sponsor products, sponsor display ads. But before you would be doing that, you have to understand that there must be a strategy behind.